So here we go, ladies and gentlemen, the big fan, the Borishal. Hello. Alright, so Borishal.
Champion.
Borishal.
Champion.
Borishal.
Champion.
Borishal Lapola.
80 টাকা তোলা।
Borishal Lapola.
80 টাকা তোলা।
Borishal Lapola.
1000 টাকা তোলা।
Alright, this is the last slogan for loudly. Borishal.
বরিশাল চ্যাম্পিয়ন বিগ চ্যাম্পিয়ন।
Oh, here we go, the crazy fan, the Borishal. The believe that Borishal Lapola Shitakatola. I hope so that it will be the BPL 2025. Have a look at the big fan, the Borishal. The crazy fan, the Borishal. So you can say Borishal, champion. Borishal.
চ্যাম্পিয়ন
Borishal.
চ্যাম্পিয়ন
Borishal.
চ্যাম্পিয়ন
Borishal Lapola.
80 টাকা তোলা।
Alright, the slogan is the Borishal Lapola Shitakatola. Ladies and gentlemen, here the big crowd for the Borishal team. I believe that Fortune Borishal, they have a beautiful teams. I hope so. One of the top. And who is the champion for the Borishal? Here we go. From right now here, Mirpur Sharabangla Stadium. See you, Rajib Hussain. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.